As I continue standing here, I want to remind you of something simple. You do not need to rush through your life to prove that you're doing enough. Slow moments are not delays, they are part of the design. Motherhood teaches us to move gently even when the world demands speed. And you're allowed to listen to what your body and spirit are asking for. Your body is this temple that carries you everywhere. You've got to respect her more than you respect anyone else. You need you to respect others. So respect your body. Your spirit is the leader of your body. So you've got to respect your spirit also. Listen to that again. You are allowed to listen to what your body and your spirit are asking for. In the first place, we need to be sensitive to them, to the body and the spirit. So when they're communicating, we can hear and we can listen. If today asked too much of you, this moment is a soft landing. You are not weak for needing rest. You are wise for recognizing the fact that you need rest. Let the rhythm of your hands set the rhythm of your thoughts. There is no emergency here, is there? Nothing needs fixing right now. You are safe to slow down. So many mothers carry the belief that they must always be on the run, running errands, always on, always producing, always available, always strong. But strength is not constant tension. Strength is knowing when to release, when to pause, when to pull away. Pull away from others too. Yes, you can pull away from your family to recharge, to reset. You are allowed to exhale without explanation to anyone. You are allowed to be quiet without guilt. You are allowed to say no without explanation. No is a complete statement. As the water runs, let it remind you that life continues even when you pause. Life is still lifing when you pause. Nothing falls apart, nothing falls behind when you take care of yourself. In fact, things begin to align, and they align so well when you pause and when you take care of yourself. Your nervous system matters. Your emotional health matters so much. Your peace is paramount. Your peace matters deeply. Not after everything is done, not someday in the future, here and now. If your mind drifts to tomorrow, gently bring her back. Tell her we're not there yet, mind. Let's be here. This is where we are. Let's enjoy this moment. Tomorrow will come and we'll take care of herself, and we will take care of ourselves when tomorrow is here. So if your mind drifts to tomorrow that is not here yet, gently bring your mind back and let tomorrow be. Back to your breath, back to your hands, back to this moment where nothing is expected of you except presence. You're not behind in life, mama. You are integrating, you are learning, you are becoming, and becoming takes patience. Motherhood is not meant to erase you. It is meant to expand us. It is meant to evolve us. It is meant to grow us. It is meant to let us thrive. We are allowed to have desires, still allowed to have dreams and pursue them, still allowed to want ease, to want abundance, to want rest, all at our pace. Wanting more peace does not mean you are ungrateful. It means you are growing. It means you're doing good. It means you are thriving. As each of these dishes become clean and put away, think of it as releasing one major layer of self-criticism. You have been doing your best with what you know and what you have in the moments you are in. That is enough. You do not need to replay old mistakes. No. You do not need to replay old mistakes. You do not need to carry yesterday forward. Yesterday is in the past. Let her be. This moment is fresh, and so are you. If no one has acknowledged your effort today, let this be your reminder. What you do matters. What you do is seen. What you do is recognized. The love you give, it matters. The care you provide is vital. The energy you pour out is essential. And you deserve the same care in return, including from yourself. You are learning how to mother from a place of alignment. That is awesome. Not depletion. You're always learning to mother, to care, to love from a place of alignment, not a place of depletion. This is a powerful shift. Let yourself feel proud of that, even if it doesn't look dramatic, even if no one notices it. Quiet growth is still growth. Unrecognized growth is still growth. As the sink begins to clear, allow your body to soften. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Slow your breath. You don't need to brace for anything. This moment is gentle. When you finish here, you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to sit. You are allowed to do nothing for a few minutes. Rest is not a reward. It is a requirement. It is essential. It's a necessity. And you are allowed to meet your needs without justification, without explanation. Yes. Hear it again. You are allowed to meet your needs without justification and without explanation to anyone. You are more than what you produce, more than what you clean, more than what you give. You are a woman who deserves peace. Let this moment remind you that calm is available to you even in the middle of everyday life. You don't need a perfect environment to feel grounded. You just need presence. Oh, I love this. God, where is this coming from? We don't need a perfect environment to feel grounded. What we need is presence, awareness of this present moment. You just need breath, and we have been gifted breath. You just need permission to be where you are, and you have the permission. This moment is complete, and so are you. You are so complete. You are so complete, just as you are. Your environment, your space, they are all okay. You don't need them to be perfect before you feel you're grounded, before you feel safe. Your presence, the awareness of your presence, your breath, the awareness of your breath, that's what you need to feel grounded. And so you becoming aware of this present moment and you taking recognition of your breath, you becoming aware of your breath. These are what you need to be grounded. So take a moment after you've done your dishes to be aware. Come into awareness of your presence. Come into awareness of your breath. Take some slow, deep breaths and become aware of the present moment in which you are. Whatever you may be doing in that present moment, sitting, your legs stretched out in the recliner, or maybe simply lying on the floor, on your belly or on your back. That awareness of that moment and taking deep breaths in that moment. That is all you need for your grounding. Your environment is okay. Like I said earlier, you don't need it to be perfect. You don't need to have everything completely done. to know that you've done well. You have done so well. And I hope you recognize that. If you don't, let me tell you, you have done so well. So the present moment, your breath, your awareness, that is what you need for the grounding. And you have them all already. You don't need to go buy them. You don't need anyone to give them to you. You have them. So enjoy that. I love you so much and I'm proud of you. Thank you for joining me here. You're doing great.